Welcome back to NGSCars. If ultra-luxury SUVs, elite comfort, and next-level prestige are your thing, today's video is one you absolutely can't skip. Mercedes-Maybach has unveiled the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS W880, and this is not a simple refresh or facelift. This is a bold statement, a complete redefinition of what a flagship luxury SUV should be in a world dominated by Rolls-Royce and Range Rover. In today's video, we'll break down the exterior design, interior luxury, cutting-edge technology, power and performance, ownership expectations, pricing versus rivals, clear pros and cons, and finally help you decide whether the Maybach GLS W880 truly deserves its crown. Make sure you watch till the end, because this SUV changes the luxury game in more ways than you might expect. Let's begin with the design. The 2027 Maybach GLS W880 looks regal, commanding, and effortlessly elegant. The signature Maybach grille is larger and more refined, finished in hand-polished chrome that reflects its elite status. The new digital LED headlights feature intricate light signatures, creating an unmistakable presence day or night. Subtle yet powerful body lines, exclusive Maybach wheels, and a perfectly balanced stance give this SUV a road presence that demands respect rather than attention. Step inside, and the W880 feels less like a car and more like a private luxury suite. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, real wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and crystal-inspired controls. Ambient lighting flows throughout the interior, customizable to suit your mood. The rear seats are fully reclining executive thrones with massage, heating, ventilation, and extended leg support, delivering true first-class comfort. Technology is where the Maybach GLS W880 quietly dominates. A next-generation hyperscreen setup spans the dashboard, paired with rear entertainment displays for passengers. The AI-powered MBUX system responds naturally to voice commands, learns driver preferences, and receives over-the-air updates to stay future-ready. Even the fragrance system is customizable, proving that luxury here extends beyond what you see. Under the hood, the GLS W880 features a V12-inspired hybrid powertrain designed for smooth, effortless performance. Power delivery is silent, refined, and endlessly confident. This SUV doesn't rush, it glides. Acceleration feels seamless, and cruising at highway speeds is calm, controlled, and whisper quiet. Ride quality is exceptional thanks to advanced air suspension and adaptive damping, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Despite its size, the W880 feels composed and stable in all driving conditions, prioritizing comfort over aggression. Safety and assistance systems include advanced driver aids, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, night vision, and intelligent parking support, ensuring stress-free driving. Pricing is expected to place the GLS W880 above the standard GLS and directly against ultra-luxury rivals. Ownership costs will be premium, but resale value and exclusivity help justify the price. Pros include unmatched comfort, elite craftsmanship, advanced technology, and commanding presence. Cons include high cost and limited appeal for sporty drivers. So, is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS W880 worth it? If you want modern royalty on wheels, the answer is yes. This isn't just luxury, it's leadership. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.